So, hello children, good morning to all of you. So, you have got the criteria for the similarities of triangle. So, I hope all of you have practiced that question, the theorem, and also related to that theorem, that remaining questions. Now today also we'll do that application of that similarity criteria, and by using that we'll start with question number 12 of exercise 6.3, and after that I'll do question number 13, then 15, and then 16, and 14 will be homework for you. And then we'll pass to the theorem number 6.6. That is also another very important theorem, and whose application is also is there. By using that theorem, we can solve exercise 6.4. So today in the first question, as you can see on the board, I have written question number 12, and I have given two asterisk sign also. So means this is very important in perspective of the exam. For the purpose of the exam, it is very important. Now you can see one thing, that in if you read the question, it is given that the side AB, BC and median AD of triangle, side AB, BC and AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ, QR and PM, median PM of triangle PQR. Now before I go further, and then you have to prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now before I pass to the next, or I start the actual solution, I want to ask you one thing, that do you remember the median of a triangle? What do you mean by median of a triangle? Median of a triangle means the line drawn from vertex to the midpoint of the base. Line drawn from vertex to the midpoint of the base is called the median of the triangle. Line drawn from vertex to the midpoint of the base. That means M is the midpoint of QR, B is the midpoint of BC, is known as median. And also you can write and keep that the point of concurrency of three medians of a triangle is known as centroid. Point of concurrency of three medians of a triangle is known as centroid. You see, this is a triangle, and in a triangle how many medians can be? 3. This is 1, then this is 2, and this is 3. So AD, BE, CF. AD, BE and CF are three medians, and that point of concurrency, that is G is known as centroid of the median, is known as centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle means point of concurrency, that means at the point at which three medians, the point at which three medians can intersect is known as point of concurrency. Suppose this is one, you can see, and this is another one. So see, all these three are at same point, and these are, so here also same thing you can see, and this is known as centroid of the triangle. Okay, so this is centroid. Now, so median you got. Now remember one more thing. For an equilateral triangle, median altitude
are same. Median and altitude are same. For equilateral triangle only, not for other triangle. Okay. Then let's see. It is it is given that AB by PQ. It is given that AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM, and then ultimately AB by PQ equal to half BC by half QR. Remember, you got in other classes, in class 6, 7, 8, that if you multiply same thing, both numerator and denominator, there will be no change in the ratio. So I have multiplied both half, so that's why there will be no change in the ratio. Equal AD by PM. Then half BC means what? BD, and half QR means what? QM, because midpoint already given. So you can write down midpoint. Here you can write down midpoint, since D and M are the midpoint of BC and QR. Since D and M are the midpoint of, BC and QR. Then what did you get? AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. That means AB by PQ you got, BD by QM you got, AD by PM you got. That means what? Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. And if these two triangles are similar, that means angle this one, that means this angle will be equal to this angle. This is the similarity criteria. So I have written angle ABD equal to angle PQM. And last class also I told you that measure of the angle will not change if we extend the length of the side. So here, instead of BD, ABD, if I write ABC, and instead of PQM, if I write PQR, there will be no change in the measurement of angle B and angle Q. And that's what written. Then you see, from triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we get AB by PQ, AB by PQ, and then BC by QR, BC by QR, and then angle ABC equal to angle PQR. Implies triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Implies triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is the question number 12. Okay.
Now let's see question number 13. 13 also diagram not there. So diagram you have to draw by yourself. I hope all of you have written already. So I'll draw now. Okay.
Now next question you see, please go through the question first, because diagram is not there, and last class also I told, by the given condition, by utilizing the given condition, you have to draw the diagram, and diagram is the most important factor. Okay. So in question number 13, D is the midpoint of the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square equal to CB by CD. CB by so CA square equal to CB into CD. CA square equal to CB into CD. So first of all, you draw the diagram. First of all, what is the diagram? Triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC. So draw triangle ABC. Triangle A, B, C. Question number 13. Now first is that D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So suppose D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. Join AD. AD you have joined. We have joined AD. Okay. AD. Now after AD, then you see D is the midpoint of BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. BAC. That means these two angles are equal. Okay. Now we have to prove that CA square. CA square. Where is CA? CA square equal to CD into BD. CD into CD in CB into CD. CB into CD. So CB, then from here one thing you can see. First AC, if you see that this one of one side of triangle ABC. Then next CB, if you see that CB is once again CB of triangle ABC. Next here you can see triangle of side of this triangle, triangle ADC. And next CD, definitely this part. Okay. So this is the way it is done. Just this is not needed for the purpose of the exam, but just you see CA by CB equal to CD by CA. Yes or no? CD by CA. Or you can write CA by CD, CA by CD equal to CB by CA. This is not needed for the purpose of the exam. CA by CD, CA by CD. Okay. If we consider that this is the base, this is also base, then CB by CA by CA. Okay. CA of other. So this one for this triangle. This is for this triangle. Once again, this is for triangle ABC and CA for triangle ADC. So now let's start with this question. Okay. So what is given, according to that we'll do. Now first of all we write from triangle ABC. From triangle ABC and triangle ADC we get. What do you get? You see, first of all, angle BAC equal to angle ADC given. Yes or not? Given? Okay. Then next you see angle BCA equal to angle DCA. Common? Yes or not? Common to both? Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle ADC by A. Then you see whatever we have written there. Therefore, we can write CA by which one? CD equal to CB by CA. CA by CD, CA by CD, then CB by CA. CB by CA. First CA is for this triangle. That means numerator of both sides is for triangle ABC. And denominator of these is for triangle ADC. Okay? Then, once again you can get back CA square equal to CB dot CD. Okay? So, this is question number 13. This is also important question. So please write it down. Then next we will pass to question number 15. 15 we have done earlier also, and then again you will do in the trigonometry chapter also. So now trigonometry chapter and this one will use basically by using the similarities property. In trigonometry we will use by sine, cos or tan, whatever is there. And in physics also you have done this one. Okay.
So let's see. Here it is given a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow of 4 meter long.
Now one thing is that you see, by this question you can come to know this is applicable in our day-to-day life for measuring the height of the tree, height of the building and all by using the similarities property. Okay.
So a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow of 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow of 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower.
Okay, that means here there should be two separate triangles. Okay, so let's see now question number 15.
Those you can, before I draw the diagram, you please start and try to draw. If it will be wrong, you can see from my diagram and can you rectify. So before I draw, you try by yourself. So question number 15. First, a vertical pole. A vertical pole. Pole means electrical pole also maybe. So vertical pole. This is one. Then another one is what? A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow of 6 meter, 4 meter. Cast a shadow of 4 meter. So that means this is 6. And remember, pole supposed to be perpendicular to the base. That means perpendicular to the surface, plane surface. This is 4. And then this is question mark. This is already given. Now, my dear student, don't compare this. I have drawn this much equal to 4 and this much equal to 28. This is just approximation, nothing else. Okay, by actual, can you draw this 28 centimeter in your copy? It is not possible. Okay, so this is only for just assuming. Okay, nothing else. So this is A, B, C, A, P, Q and R. This is also 90 degree. Now we'll do by using what? By using that similarity criteria. So see, a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow of 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow of 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower.
That means one thing you have to see, that both are looking alike. That means both these two triangles are similar. Both these two triangles are
Similar. If it is not similar, then we cannot draw it. Okay. So both these two triangles
are similar because first of all, this is right angle, this is right angle. Okay. This is altitude, this is base. This is altitude, this is base.
So what is there? That it is 6 meter given. Okay, and it is given that 6 meter is the length of height of the pole, and this one is question mark, and length of the shadow. Length of the shadow, not the height of the shadow. Length of the shadow is 4. Length of the shadow is 28. So both are right angle triangle. So as both are right angle triangle, then one thing is that you see triangle ABC similar to
triangle PQR. Now, some of you may think that on what basis written similar? One angle is equal. One angle is equal, and another is that AB and PQ are the altitude. Okay, so without the similarity property, it cannot solve, and that's the reason that both are looking alike. Similarity means both are looking alike. So as both are looking alike, and we have to use the similarity property, otherwise we cannot do. So that's why these two triangles should be similar. Then you see AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. Okay. Then what happened? BC by QR. So that means you can substitute the value. You can substitute the value of all. I don't need that AC by PR. I don't need. So that one. Then AB is how much? AB is 6. PQ is will remain PQ. This is BC 4. This is 28. So this one gone. This is 7. So ultimately PQ equal to 42. So length of the tower, height of the tower is 42 meter. Height of the tower is 42 meter. Okay. Now last, that is question number 16. Question number 16. Okay. Now question number 16 also diagram is not there. So please do that. See, if AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where a triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, then prove that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. So first of all, you draw the triangle. Question number 16. I will explain. I will not do that one. You will do. Triangle ABC, ABC, triangle PQR. Then what is there? AD and PM are medians. AD. Did you get any other question saying? PM are medians. First of all, it is given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. You have to prove that AB by PQ, AB by PQ equal to AD by PM, equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. You have to prove. So that means in question number 13 we got it. 13 almost same type of question was there. Then again we got in question number 12 also. 12 exactly almost same type, and this is also same. Okay. Almost same, not exactly same, but almost same. Okay, let's see. Then if this is the one, then implies what is that? AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to CA by RP. This is the by similarity property. Now you see also angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. Then what will happen? Then you see, according to that, see AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. all the three are equal, so I can take according to my needs. So then implies AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. Can we write or not? Can you write or not? AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. I skipped 2 steps. Can you say under what condition? Condition is that half BC by half QR implies AB by PQ equal to BD by QM, because D and M are the midpoint you got in question number 12. Okay? Then this part you got also, and angle ABD equal to angle PQM. Then what? Triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. ABD similar to triangle PQM. And if triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, that means AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. Okay, so still that I told that I will do theorem number 6.6, but it will be too long, so I will not do now. In my next video, I will do theorem 6.6. And one request is that you say today most of the questions are important in the perspective of your exam, so please practice. Okay.